Buổi tiệc hi nặc tu cả Santa Pui nghe đã đón lâu xây rồi đấy. John. Walkie-talkie and what else? Slide. Okay. You please give a kiss to your grandpa and your granny. Api kiss don't you? Wow, sweet nha. Buổi tiệc Christmas nuam mà tiền nuam kan ti to lu tu kan ni. You put those stuff under the tree?
Because Santa likes put it.
Santa likes those stuff.
Yeah, because we don't have any Japanese.
Okay.
Japanese is what?
I don't know Japanese.
Japanese is smoke is coming out.
Chimney ang kamo. Japanese cái này lâu vàng khan, chimney cái này lâu vàng khan. Japanese kha cái này lâu vàng khan. Mấy chít na cái này lâu vàng khan khu đã nhỉ khu nu. Mo Japanese chimney kamo. Khu cái đã rồi bây giờ. Cute về thôi. Chuan anh nghe Christmas message hẳn sấy lóc tiệt lẽ. Please.
This is for Santa.
Gift. Okay. Khi mà kan zoom lo kan nghe. Khu Japanese cái này lâu vàng in khu đã nè. Bây giờ mu toro ma toro Santa akal chan to toro mi in vela. Keep your phone, Lucas.
This is not my phone.
Yeah, keep your mom's phone. Good boy.
My mom's phone to make it rub.
Na mom's phone is do rap sama. Okay. You sleep now. Sleep. Come on. Close your eyes. Amu hil chan to ani porong kal. Santa ka chilula. Amu chan to di ila mo. Di a gift to ka. Santa in a wrap well make ring draw.
I think he's doing wine.
Santa will be very busy tonight.
Dora whiteboard? Yay, Dora the Explorer. It's Dora.
Wow.
One, and then the last will be the biggest one, okay? Oh, what's this? It's a piggy bank.
Oh my God.
Okay, now last but not the least, let me see.
I think
No, I don't think it's phone. Close your eyes. Close
your eyes.
Yeah, just more. Okay, now the one and only, the last but not the least. But you have to close your eyes. That's it. Turn it around. No peeking. No peeking. Then I say, turn, okay? Turn now!
Wow. But then show here. Are you happy? Wow. Wow. Go, fly up, fly high.
Go.
Wow.
I controlling it.
Oh yeah, that's my drone.
No, that's mine.
Okay. Sorry. I think I drone so nang may ni kalve lawa.
Because
Itiama mo. Ang kalsak de mo. Ipale ipuvalan mi. I think